Transform your videos from ordinary to extraordinary by learning how to add stunning borders in CapCut PC. Let's jump right into CapCut PC and get your video perfectly framed. First, ensure your video clip is loaded onto the timeline. You'll see it here, ready for its makeover. To begin adding a border, navigate to the Stickers option located in the top menu bar. Click on it to reveal a range of creative elements. Within the Stickers panel, look for the Borders category. This is where all the magic happens for adding frames to your footage. You'll see a variety of border styles available. Simply click and drag the border you like directly onto your video clip on the timeline. See how it instantly frames your content. Once the border is on your timeline, you can select it. Now, look to the Adjustments panel that appears on the right side of your screen. This is where we'll customize the look. Here, you can easily change the color of your border. Click on the color swatch and choose from a spectrum of options to match your video's theme or create a contrasting visual. Want a thicker or thinner frame? Use the width slider to adjust the border's size precisely to your liking. Play around until you get the perfect thickness. You can also fine-tune the border's position. Use the on-screen handles or the position controls in the adjustment panel to center it perfectly or create a unique offset effect. CapCut PC offers more than just solid colors. Explore different patterned borders for a more decorative and artistic touch that can significantly enhance your video's visual appeal. Experiment with different borders on various clips within your project to create a cohesive yet dynamic visual narrative. You can resize and reposition borders on each individual clip independently. And there you have it. Adding borders in CapCut PC is a simple yet powerful way to elevate the production value of your videos, giving them that polished, professional finish. Happy editing.